Today I want to talk about HTS hold down grids. Shout out to Taylor Archer for helping me through this one. Some consider an HTS hold down grid to be a best practice to just kind of help ensure that the catalyst stays where we want it and that it doesn't either pile up in the middle from high velocities or come out on the sides or whatever. So that the catalyst stays where we want it in the HTS vessel. I had a customer recently ask about kind of the timing. It takes them a long time to remove the hold down grid and also reinstall it when they are changing out catalyst in their HTS reactor. And Taylor told me, and so as I learn, I like to share the learnings also, that he has seen in the past catalyst handling companies requesting that their catalyst handlers tack weld the grid pieces back together. Once the hold down grid is in the vessel in the proper orientation, so tack welding it in. I actually Googled and videos of tack welding before this. And then once it's time to take it out, the welds can be hit with a small sledge or engineer's hammer to break the welds easily for the next turnaround. Often, it takes people a long time to remove and reinstall these hold down grids because you're trying to bolt the pieces together, which can be tedious. Often the bolts have to be grinded out anyway. So thank you, Taylor, for giving me this good information, and I hope that it helps someone else. Have a great day.